Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be opening a Miniverse Make It Mini Café series ball. I know this is a new one for my channel, but I just thought it would be fun to share because these are very crafty and my daughter and I love to open these. I have more of this series and we'll also be opening some other fun ones too, like Harry Potter and the home ones, and yeah, some other fun ones we'll also do on this channel too. I'll share those with you guys also. Okay, and sometimes these things are not the easiest to open, as you guys can see. But this is kind of, they have this, you can actually display the item after you're done in this little ball. As you can see, we got some cute little hot dog buns. These are super cute, and it's got a little clip at the top of it. Oh my gosh, these are too cute. And then let's open up this package. Oh, it looks like we got the little tray for the hot dog. And so as you can kind of guess, I believe we got the hot dog out of this series. And then in this package, oh, this is going to be our tongs. And then the little clear piece that you see is what goes on top of the clear ball. To make, like I said, to make this ball sort of like a display for the finished item. Even though this item is so small, I really don't know how you display it in this ball. And then these are the tongs. And then this is our little snack time little placemat. And this is kind of the little pamphlet that shows you all the 12 different ones that you can get in this series. As you can see, we got that bacon wrapped hot dog one. But there are some other really cute ones in this series. So I'm hoping I get some of the other ones and no duplicates. And then this one's kind of like a little instruction booklet. I don't really use this one. You guys will see the other one. I feel like it's just easier to follow. And this one says stay fresh. Let's see what we got in this one. Oh, it looks like we got the bacon. So here's the bacon. This is a super cute little case that it comes in. It almost looks like when you get bacon at the store. And then this one says chill out. So let's see what we got in this one. Oh, it looks like we got our resin. And this one, it says it's a glaze, I believe. And then we got the little tip to help squeeze the resin out. And I will tell you, like, and especially like with this one, we'll have some leftover resin, which is always kind of nice because you can always use on another project. And this one says stay fresh. And it looks like we got our hot dogs. Oh my gosh, this packaging is so cute. All right, guys, let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna put the little clear little tab piece on the top of the ball. And see, this is kind of what it looks like. So let's get set up here. We're gonna put our hot dog little tray, and then as you guys can see, look at this clip. It is so cute. I mean, it looks like it's really there to hold the bag shut, but you'll soon find out it's really not. I was so upset that they sealed this bag so far down that I was hoping I could get it open without having to cut it, but unfortunately with them sealing it so far down, because I really wanted to fit that clip back on the bag and keep the bag all like it was. But unfortunately they sealed it, so I couldn't get it open. I had to cut it. But then, but here's the hot dog bun. And can I just tell you, these things are so freaking cute. And they're kind of like a rubbery material. So they're super flexible. And then now I'm going to open up the instructions to kind of see what it says. So as you guys can see, we got the little hot dog one. And then I'll open up these ones just to kind of show you guys what these ones look like too. These are kind of just, you know, it goes like this one is showing for the Rice Krispie treats, which I didn't even get in this set. And then it shows for the ball. So I don't even know how I ended. I believe I got wrong instructions on this one. I don't know why they show the Rice Krispie treats because that's not what I got. So we're going to go back to this one. And plus, I just generally use these ones because they're easier to follow. I just like looking at the little pictures and kind of just following along. Because these are so simple to make that, I mean, you really don't need like detailed. And then now we're going to go ahead and open up the resin. As you can see, it looks like a white color. And then we'll put our little nozzle on. And then now we're going to open up our hot dogs. And I really don't know why I'm struggling. They're really not that hard to open. Oh, there we go. And then I'll get out the little hot dog. And these have the same texture as the hot dog bun. They're kind of like a rubbery feeling. But these are so cute. Look at the little grill marks on them. That is so cute. Okay, next we're going to open up our bacon. And this packaging was just a struggle to open. I really feel like it shouldn't have been this hard, but the tab just didn't want to pull apart and everything. So I kind of saved you guys on this video. I edited it all out, but I literally had to open this thing with scissors. It did not want to open right because I was trying to save the packaging and I wanted to open it up nice and neat, but this one just did not want to cooperate. So here you can see, like, now I finally just cut it with my scissors, like made a little opening. But here we go. Here's the bacon. They give you 3 pieces, which I don't know why you really can't fit 3 pieces of bacon on this. But these are super cute. They almost have like a rubber band texture. But look at the detail on these. Those are super cute. All right, and then they kind of have you, they tell you to use the resin to like glue this bacon on, but they show it wrapping around the hot dog. And I just don't know how they felt like this was going to be feasible with resin. Because first off, resin takes forever to cure. It's not like super glue where it's like an instant stick. So, because you actually have to cure this with the light and everything. So I really don't know why they thought this was a good idea, but I grabbed my UV light, and then we're going to, I put a dab of resin on this first one and then put it on the hot dog. And then I had the idea that maybe I should just run resin across the whole thing. But as you'll see, that turned out to be a disaster because I just could not get it to, I don't know, like I said, it's almost like you needed something to hold the top in place while you held the bottom in place. It just didn't work. So you'll see I come back and I do just like the top part of it. So I lay like the little top piece of it on the hot dog, and then I'll hold the UV light to it. So you literally have to cure this in stages. And then I'm gonna save you guys all because it took forever. It literally took forever. I've never, this resin just didn't want to cure properly. I don't know if it was just a bad batch or what. But here we go. I'm gonna cure it again with the second part. And then I saved you guys all the horrible time it took me to get this completed, but here it is with the bacon wrapped around it. And then we're going to fit it into our hot dog bun. And then it was a little bit of a tight fit. Like I said, I don't know why they said to wrap the bacon around this, because I really don't think that was the best idea. But and then we're going to put it into our little hot dog tray. And then they show putting resin on the top of it. I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. I mean, I'm not sure if this is supposed to be like, it was supposed to look like mayonnaise or something. But, I mean, if you guys always wanted to, if you had like red mica powder or something, you could probably put it in this resin and make it look red for like ketchup or something. Or even if you had some red resin from another project or another set, you could use it. I mean, feel free to get crafty with it and use something else. If you have something else you can mix in with it or whatever. And with that, we are done, guys. I hope you like it. Feel free to like, subscribe, and share. Bye, guys.